Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Gmail accounts in 2025. And actually guys, to do that you will need just to tap on your profile picture that's located on the top right corner of your screen, and after that just go ahead and tap on manage your Google accounts. Then you will be forwarded to a different screen, and right here everyone you will need just to tap on the explore icon that's located also on the top right, and then just look for delete. Okay, so right now you have two options. Either you want to delete your Google accounts or delete the Google service. We are talking about the Google account. So let's just tap on the delete your Google account option. And right now you will need to verify it here, and then you will need to check this two blanks and then just go and tap on delete account. Okay, so as you can see the account is deleted. So it says right here your Google accounts and all its data have been deleted. So everybody, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.